Let's take a closer look at how our AI chatbot works in real time. First, I'll open my browser. Now let's head over to our official website, and the page loads beautifully. On the bottom right corner, you'll see the chatbot icon. Let's open it, and I'll type, "Hello." Instantly, the chatbot responds with a friendly greeting and a few helpful options to choose from. I'll go ahead and select one option. The chatbot quickly understands my selection and replies with the exact information I need. Fast, clear, and accurate. I can also type my own question or message, and again, it responds instantly. Finally, I'll type, "Thank you." The chatbot closes the chat politely, making the experience feel human and effortless. This is AI Chatbot by AI Pulse. Smart, responsive, and always ready to help.